Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the Read Aloud extension for Chrome. To find this extension, go into the Chrome web store or type Read Aloud into Google. So here is what the extension looks like. To add it, you would click the Add to Chrome button. I already have it loaded. So here it is right up here. So when you are on a web page, this little megaphone icon can read things on the page to you. If you have something highlighted, it'll read that. Otherwise, when you click, it'll just start reading.
NASA Kids Club. Hello, Earth Kids. My name is Nebula. Welcome to NASA Kids.
You might think, that sounds pretty fast, but it turns out that most people can read with their ears faster than we are used to listening to people speak. So it's important to try to make sure that students are pushing themselves to read with their ears at a pace that is good for them. So you can also stop, and then there's the little gear here for settings. In settings, you can choose your voice. You can also change the speed, the pitch, the volume, and change whether or not it is highlighting the words as it goes.
NASA Kids Club. Hello, Earth.
So this is another site just to show you it reading on another page.
Rare 1794 silver dollar expected to auction for more than $10 million.
So I didn't highlight anything first, and it was just going to read me the text. There's another extension I have installed, which is called Mercury Reader. And so you notice there's some ads over here, some other links. If I click this little rocket, which is the Mercury Reader extension, it really pares down the website. So now I really just have the text of this article that I want the student to read. And then it'll be easier for the read aloud to make sure that it's reading them the important parts where they don't have to highlight. I hope these tools can help you and your students.